Hey, this is Phil from Race City Retro. It's a beautiful day. I'm out in the garage today. I just unloaded a pallet of intake manifolds I picked up, and I want us to talk about something today. I want to pose a question. Are we at the point yet where restoring vintage speed equipment is wrong? Think about that one a second. You know, for years, you'll see that sandblast cabinet behind me. I've been getting intake manifolds, checking them out, make sure all the threads are good, blasting them, painting them, making them look like brand new again. But take a look at these intakes. You know, it seems like lately I've gotten a lot of requests for manifolds. Hey, do you ever get this one? I want it unrestored. I want it as is. I want it as is found. I want it. It makes sense to me. If you pull an old Survivor race car, drag car, whatever, and it's missing the intake, you don't want no shiny, brand new intake on it, even though it's a vintage piece. You want something that looks like it was put on the car in the 60s and the 70s, whatever, with all the day two type stuff. So am I doing it wrong? Should I take my sandblast cabinet and throw it on Facebook Marketplace and just start selling stuff in the condition it's in and leaving that up to the purchaser if they want to restore it or not? So this is a pretty decent collection of vintage stuff that's been sitting for a while. Those are the old blue anodized Morosos, not the current powder coated ones. That's a big block Chevy 4-barrel air cleaner. You could still see it's got the little flag still poking through there. Probably a 396, I'm assuming. That might have actually been on Camaro too, like a 354-barrel Camaro, I'm thinking, late 60s. Some 68 Roadrunner GTX dog dish. Look at that sign, 1959. That sign was never installed. It's NOS, but it's got some damage on top from the wrapping paper that was around the sign. It actually made it peel the paint, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, if you take a look at these intakes with the current condition they're in, yeah, they've been used, but they all came off running engines. They have that as-ran look. And there's some cool pieces. That's an edelbrock Torque 2. We got the good old Torque 383, and underneath it a Torque 440 big block Mopar. A Weiand modern tunnel ram. Well, modern, probably 70s. But then look at these pieces. They got the cool logo. That's a big block Chevy rectangular port with a single 4-barrel with the old Say Weiand. And then there's a small block Chevy. Let me work around this side with the old Say Weiand logo and the big W on the front. So what do? If you were me, you're going to throw these things in the sandblast cabinet and blast them and make them look like new again, or just blow the dust off them and sell them as is. I don't know. I'm kind of torn because, like I said, lately, seems like I'm getting a lot of requests for parts. People leaving info. They'll email us and, hey, if you ever get this tunnel ram, I want it as found. I don't want it painted. I don't want it detailed. I don't want new gaskets in it. Normally, I pull those things apart. I'll put new gaskets in them, put them all back together after they've been blasted and painted. I put new studs in the carbs. People are like, nope, just want it as is. I'll pay you more for an as is one. It's just pretty amazing. But I don't know, put some comments down below, see what your feelings are on this. I'd love to know. You know, do I start blasting this stuff, or do I just list it as is and see how it goes? I'm not worried about value. I kind of do this to get these parts into the right hands. I love it when someone sends me a picture of their car after they put that tunnel ram on it, let's say, and it just looks so good on an old gasser or something, you know, like a vintage P70s car. So, I mean, that's really what keeps me going on this stuff. It's so cool to, you know, to get this stuff in the right hands again. But let me know, should I restore this stuff, or you think I should just leave it as is? Even if you put a comment below, as is, restored. And please subscribe to our channel. Appreciate all you guys for watching this stuff, liking it, sharing it, and subscribing. Check out our website, too, racecityretro.com. We got a bunch of cool stuff available there. Thanks for looking, guys. Take care.